Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Jharkhand. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant has to approach the respective mutual fund office. The application form has to be obtained from the office and the applicant must fill in all the necessary details in the application form. The applicant must make sure to carry all the necessary documents along with them while visiting the office. The applicant must have the photocopies and original of the document as mentioned under the required document section of this page. Document needed for this procedure is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach photocopy of the Aadhaar card along with the application form before submitting it at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the application is submitted, the processing time will be mentioned by the concerned authorities. It will take around 1 week. Any update on the submitted application or process of the procedure will be mentioned via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office website online. Under the contact us option on the website, the applicant must check for the official email ID. Then they have to compose an email along with the mutual fund number and their Aadhaar number requesting the concerned officer to link the Aadhaar card with the respective mutual funds. There is no fee for this procedure. The applicant has to attach the scanned virtual copy of their Aadhaar card along with the email and click on the send option. After receiving the application, the concerned authority will check the submitted application and document set. If all are in place, the application will be accepted. Then the application will be processed further and the application status and process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number or as a reply to the same email sent by them. This entire process can be completed within a week or as per the timeline advised by the respective authorities. For applying through SMS, the applicant must type the message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN number space Aadhaar number space Y. They have to send the SMS to +9192993399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number, the update of the application status, and the link process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds. This entire process will be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.